Life is Better on the Water is a collaboration open playlist. This room-by-room playlist is hosted by Devin Freckled Mom DIY and co-host CeeJ DIY. Devin at Freckled Mom DIY is a girl that loves pockets in her clothes. I agree 100%. No one should make clothes without pockets these days, Devin. She upcycles furniture, cooks, and believes in self-care. CeeJ does it all. Thrift flips, high-end home decor, themed decor, outdoor ideas, and more. She is so kind and helpful. Their link is listed below, so be sure to follow them, subscribe, like, and comment on their channel. There are others who are participating in this collaboration, so make sure you follow them also. You will see some amazing things. The link is listed below. Life is better on the water means a lot to me since I live close to the water. Sometimes I just go and watch the waves and the seagulls or just take a walk with a bunch of my friends. Today I am going to make 4 simple DIYs for Life is Better on the Water, so keep watching. The first DIYs are coasters. They are nice to have around on your patio table because in the summertime you have a cold drink and your containers sweat, so your table will not be marred by water spots and you'll have to keep cleaning it up. So the supplies needed include some jute, cardboard, or you can use wood, hot glue, Shore Living flexible stencils, chalk couture paint, color ocean mist, and adhesive cork. Now first you need to decide how large you want your coaster to be. I decided I wanted mine the regular size you see in the stores. I had some cardboard around and I used a wood round as my template to cut 4 circles. After that was done, I started in the middle of the cardboard. I put my jute down and I kept wrapping until I arrived at the size of the cardboard piece that I had. After they were all completed, I lit a match and burned the frayed edges that were sticking up to make it as smooth as possible. Then I took a Dollar Tree Shore Living flexible stencil and some chalk couture paint and painted a starfish ocean mist. Now, I know these stencils are not what you should be using with chalk couture paint, and I will invest in some real stencils that are made especially for chalk couture soon. I don't know about you, but I am ready for the beach. The next DIY is a napkin ring. The supplies needed include 4 napkin rings from Dollar Tree, 4 blue wooden starfish, and a hot glue gun. Folks, that is all you need. This is a super easy DIY. Dollar Tree has some plastic napkin rings that are silver and are wrapped in some faux jute. I removed the starfish off of some clothespins. These were nautical pins from Shore Living, and hot glued them to the napkin rings. Now, if you want to, you can paint them a different color, anything to fit your color scheme for a lake effect. Then you thread your napkins through the ring, and wow, you have something grand for approximately 50 cents each. I can't wait till it gets warm so I can meet my friends at the lake. Some may say, well, why would you go through all of that trouble to do napkin rings? Well, hey, life is short, so live it to its fullest. Next, I am going to make a candle holder. Again, the supplies needed are minimal, and this can be done in a very short period of time. So you need a glass candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I have plenty around in my home. Dollar Tree candle, some sand, and some starfish. And the starfish I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now, I always have glass candle holders that I save. I dress them up, I dress them down, I give them as gifts, or I use them on my tablescape. You can paint the glass if you so desire, but I left it clear because it would look good in the evening as the sun is setting. I hot glued 3 white starfish to the sides of the glass. And if you want it to be permanent, then you can do a little hot glue and you can do a little E6000. I have started to recycle. If I don't need it, I am going to remake it into something else. Then you will fill the small glass container half full of sand, and then you will push the candle into the sand and light the candle. It gives a beachy feel to the table setting. And it would also look good with several glass containers on the table with the starfish motif. Lastly, I stenciled a saying and put it on the table. Normally, I do not use sayings on my tablescapes or even in my home, but today we're talking about the lake or the beach, baby. The supplies needed include a frame, a Shore Living flexible stencil with a saying, another Dollar Tree stencil with alphabets, chalk couture paint, color ocean mist, and a spreader. I applied the stencil over a piece of white chipboard and used the chalk couture to fill in the open spaces. It originally said, "Meet me by the sea," but there's no sea where I am. So I changed it to say, "Meet me by the lake." Well, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow the other individuals that are in this playlist. And please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I would love for you to join the Z9 Designs family. And remember, kindness is spreading sunshine into people's lives, regardless of the weather. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.